Welcome to aminacademy.com. In psychology of mind and behavior, let us discuss about addictive behavior. All addictions have the capacity to induce a sense of hopelessness and feeling of failure, as well as shame and guilt. But research documents that recovery is the rule rather than the exemption. There are many routes to recovery. Individuals can achieve improved physical, psychological, and social functioning on their own, so called natural recovery. Others benefit from the support of community or peer based networks, and still others opt for clinical based recovery through the services of credential process professionals. The road to recovery is seldom straight. Relapse or recurrence of substance use is common, but definitely not the end of the road. For those who achieve remission of an addiction disorders for 5 years, researchers report the likelihood of relapse is no greater than that among the general population. Neuroscientists report that synaptic density is gradually restored. The process of that give rise to addictive behavior resists a simplistic explanation. There is not just one cause, although genetic or other biological factors can contribute to a person's vulnerability to the condition. Many social, psychological, and environmental factors also have a powerful influence on substance use. Some characteristics, such as lack of ability to tolerance, distress, or other strong feelings, have been associated with addiction, but there is no one addictive personality type that clearly predict whether a person will face problems with addiction. Now, let us discuss further detail about addictive behavior. Addictive behaviors is the in the realm of psychology are characterized by a compulsive engagement in activities or substance use despite negative consequences. These behaviors are often rooted in reinforcement, compulsion, loss of control, and escalation. Understanding the psychology behind addictive behaviors is crucial for developing effective treatment and prevention strategies. Some key characteristics of addictive behavior: reinforcement. Addictive behaviors are often initially rewarding, providing pleasure or relief from negative feelings. In psychology, reinforcement is a process that increases the likelihood of a behavior being repeated in the future. It is a core concept in operant conditioning where consequences influence further actions. Reinforcement can be either positive, adding or desirable stimulus, or negative, removing an aversive stimulus. Compulsion: there is a strong, often irresistible urge to engage in the behavior even when it is harmful. Compulsion is psychology or repetitive behaviors or mental acts that a person feels driven to perform, often in response to an obsession or to alleviate anxiety, despite recognizing that these actions are excessive or irrational. These behaviors are a key feature of obsessive compulsive disorder (OCD), but can also be present in other conditions or arise from learned behaviors. Loss of control. Individuals struggle to regulate or stop the behavior despite wanting to. In psychology, loss of control generally refers to a perceived or actual inability to regulate one's own behavior, emotions, or impulses. It can manifest in various ways, including impulsive actions, difficulty managing strong emotions, or feelings of helplessness and powerlessness. This lack of control can significantly impact mental health, leading to stress, anxiety, depression, and even risky behavior. Escalation. What is escalations? The need for behavior or substance increases over time to achieve the same level of satisfaction. In the context of psychology, escalation refers to the gradual increase in the intensity of behavior, often moving towards a more aggressive or problematic state. It's a key concept in understanding how actions and reactions can intensify, potentially leading to conflict or crisis. Escalations can be observed in various situations, including interpersonal conflicts, substance abuse, and even organizational decision making. Types of addictive behaviors. Substance use disorders involve the compulsive use of substances like alcohol, drugs, or tobacco. Behavioral addictions involve compulsive engagement in activities like gambling, gaming, eating, shopping, or sexual behaviors. Psychological factors contributing to the addictive behaviors, reinforcement and reward pathways. Addictive substances and behaviors hijack the brain's reward system, leading to intense craving and a drive to repeat the behavior. Conditioning and habit formation. Repeated exposure to addictive substances or behaviors can lead to the development of strong habits and conditioned responses. Co-occurring mental health conditions. Addictive behaviors are often associated with other mental health conditions like anxiety, depression, or trauma. Social and environmental factors. Social influences, peer pressure, and environmental stressors can also play a role in the development and maintenance of addictive behaviors. Treatment and recovery. Psychotherapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, motivational interviewing, and other therapies can help individuals identify triggers, develop coping mechanisms, and change maladaptive behaviors. Medications. Medications can be used to manage withdrawal symptoms, reduce cravings, and treat co-occurring mental health conditions. Support group. Support groups like Alcoholics Anonymous or Narcotics Anonymous can provide peer support and a sense of community. Lifestyle changes. Addressing underlying factors like stress, sleep, and nutrition can also be important for recovery. The importance of understanding in psychology, understanding the psychological aspects of addictive behaviors is crucial for developing effective prevention and treatment strategies. By addressing the underlying psychological factors, individuals can break free from the cycle of addiction and lead healthier, more fulfilling lives. So far, we discussed about psychology of mind and behavior in that addictive behavior. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.